Hi guys! Welcome to the Panda Vlogs. I'm Bianca Magsino, and in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a What's in My Bag video because I was inspired to do one because I've been watching a lot of What's in My Bag videos lately. So let's get started. As you can see, I'm so glammed up. I miss dressing up and I miss putting a full face of makeup. So I decided, why not do it for this video as well? And look at my lashes. It's from P Style Collection. It's their Jasmine eyelashes. So I'll be linking it down in the description box below. So this is considered to be my everyday bag, I would say. And ever since I got it, I think last November, so it's gonna be almost a year already. I got this in Guam during Black Friday because we went there during around those times. And I'm super happy that I got this. It doesn't scream designer, that's why I love it. And it looks small, but I can totally fit a lot in it. Sorry, I forgot to tell you what the bag is called, but this is the Balenciaga City Mini in black. And it also has a shoulder strap like this one because I love shoulder straps. I don't like top handle bags. I feel like they're so hard to use. That's why I love having this one on. So now let's open this one up, and this is how it looks like on the inside. So I don't put any bag organizer and stuff since it's just small. So the first one is my phone. The case is from Cases by RC, and also the pop socket. So this is my iPhone 11, and if you want to see my tutorial for the iOS 14 home screen, then I'll link it down in the description box and also in the iCard above here. And then the next one is my key pouch from Louis Vuitton. I did an unboxing with this one. It just holds my cards and then my house keys. So ayan, it's just like that. I keep the house keys inside the pouch para hindi siya magasgas or whatsoever. So I don't bring cash with me. I just use cards kasi mostly naman dito you can use cards talaga. The next one is my Alana Minerals powder and lip drunk blush. So ayan siya. This is the shade Autumn Martini, and then my powder is PMF na Hazelnut. I love this because it has a mirror and then you can mix and match like the things that you put inside. So I just decided na I need powder and then one lip drunk blush, but I wanted to change this to Peach Bellini, so maybe later I'll change it. And then I just have this e.l.f. brush. So it's a retractable brush, so I can touch up a powder whenever I need to. And then of course I have my power bank. This is the brand Anchor. And then I have my AirPods with me, and I'm super sad because I just realized I forgot all of my AirPods case back in the Philippines. So I just have this, and I really wanted to get another one because this one is so loose already. As in parang lumuwag na yung rubber niya, that's why it's like that, and it's dirty. Meron na siyang stain na color red sa likod. I think it's from a highlighter or a lip tint. I don't remember. Then I have my car keys with me. So keyless yung car na ginagamit ko dito. That's why ganito lang yung itsura niya. So ayan, and it has this LV na keychain, and this is actually my dad's. Pero ayaw niyang gamitin, so ginagamit ko na lang. And of course, I have a mask here. This is from the Bonhead Creations on Instagram. And I have two of her masks. And then, sometimes I just use this pag saglitan lang naman. But most of the time, I use a surgical mask or yung copper mask. And then, it has a small zip pocket right here, as you can see. And when you open it, I have here my extra lightning cable. Ayan. This is the short one because the long one I'm using here at home and nasisira na siya if you've seen my IG story. And then, meron pa pala ditong Chick-fil-A na cards because these are like free Chick-fil-A's. This was actually given by my cousin, so I just keep it there. And then I have scrunchie right here. I just use this one whenever I go out. So I have a different scrunchie at home and then a different scrunchie whenever I go out. So that is basically what's inside my bag. Actually, I'm just gonna show you what's in front, but I don't really use it. So, ayan. It has this mirror that comes with the bag. Ayan. So it just has this mirror, but I don't really use it as much or I don't ever use it because I have my compact powder with me and I have my phone, so it acts as a mirror as well. That is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell button right beside it so that you will be notified every time that I post. God bless and stay healthy.